Here's the return flight from Eugene, Oregon to Boeing Field on a cloudy summer day in the Pacific Northwest. The cleared route was via the Eugene One departure, Corvallis VOR, Victor 495 to the Newburg VOR, Victor 165 to the Olympia VOR, and finally direct at 8,000 feet. As you'll see, Seattle approach had to send me farther north than usual before turning me onto the final approach course for the ILS runway 14 right at Boeing Field. When I descended out of the clouds, the bonus from the long final was excellent views of Puget Sound, the Seattle skyline, and Elliott Bay. Sharp observers will notice that I overlooked one item on the before landing flow and checklist, turning the yaw damper off. Leaving it on doesn't make the airplane hard to control, but with the yaw damper trying to help, the controls just don't feel quite right. This is the type of rust that can develop when not flying the airplane regularly, even after only a couple of weeks.
Hello, Eugene, clearance, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot IFR to Boeing Field.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Eugene ground. I do have a reroute for you for ATC routing. It'll be a full route clearance, advised, ready.
I'm ready, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, you're clear to the Boeing Field via the Eugene One departure, radar vectors Corvallis, Victor 495, Newburg, Victor 165, Olympia, direct. Climb maintain 8,000, departure frequency 119.6, squawk 4773.
1546 Foxtrot's cleared to Boeing Field via Corvallis, Victor 495, Newburg, Victor 165, Olympia, direct, maintain 8,000, 119.6, 4773.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, prior to Corvallis, it'll be the Eugene One departure. The rest of your readback is correct.
Roger, Eugene One, thanks. 46 Foxtrot.
November 46 Foxtrot, readback correct.
And Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot's at the self-serve fuel pumps. Information Oscar, ready to taxi IFR.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, runway 34 right, taxi via Romeo Bravo.
Runway 34 right via Romeo Bravo, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, you did say you had ATIS Quebec, correct?
We do have Quebec, 46 Foxtrot. Straight ahead here to Romeo. And then a right turn, Bravo to runway 34. Eugene Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, 34 right at Bravo for IFR.
November 1546 Foxtrot, Eugene Tower, wind 020 at 5, runway 34 right, cleared for takeoff.
34 right, cleared for takeoff, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot. Here comes Rich. Final is clear, runway's clear, lights are on, trim is good. Power is set, fuel flow is good, airspeed is alive, up we go. Come on, there we go. Positive rate.
Bonanza 6780 Quebec, Eugene Tower, fly runway heading, I'll call your turn towards Corvallis. Runway 34 right, cleared for takeoff. November 185 Romeo X-ray, runway 34 left, cleared to land. November 46 Foxtrot, contact Cascade, departure, good day.
Good day, 46 Foxtrot.
Victor, thank you. Enter the right downwind runway 34 right at Eugene and advise this information. Quebec.
We'll look for Quebec, and you said right for 34 right?
I'll play affirmative.
Cascade departure, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, 1700, climbing 8,000.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Cascade departure, radar contact.
For the bumps, things will smooth out here a little bit. 25.8 will be next up here. Okay, here comes Corvallis. About a minute and a half. Your right turn to join Victor 495 toward Newburg. Okay, leveling 8,000.
R15 Bravo, traffic 3 miles northeast, southbound, type and altitude is unknown.
15 Bravo will be with.
About 1 hour to go. A little bit of a tailwind. Double check things at Boeing Field. Winds out of the out of the south, so we're planning runways 14 there. And VFR there, a few clouds at 6,000, visibility 10.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, contact Seattle Center 125.8. Good day.
25.8, 46 Foxtrot, good day.
Seattle Southwest 1693, 10.7, climbing to 15,000. Southwest 1693, Seattle Center, climb and maintain flight level 230. Alright, 230, Southwest 1693.
Seattle Center, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, level 8,000.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Seattle Center, settle altimeter 3020.
3020, 46 Foxtrot. We're just about to beam the Chehalis Airport en route to Olympia, about 21 miles south of Olympia on Victor 165.
Seattle Center, says 14 Quebec, about 15 miles south of Chehalis at 3,000 with a request.
149 Quebec, Seattle Center, squawk 1537, maintain VFR.
1537, maintain VFR, says 14 Quebec.
We just picked up information. Sierra Boeing Field is good VFR down there.
Number 6, 9 Tango Echo, descend and maintain 16,000, Chehalis altimeter 3021.
16,000, we have citation 69 Tango Echo.
Station 69 Tango Echo, you said it, say again?
How we have Chehalis.
Station 69 Tango Echo, you're coming in a little bit broken. You said you had the weather NOTAMs at Chehalis?
Affirmative.
69 Tango Echo, roger, and did you have an approach request?
Well, we were going to see if it looked like we could get in on a visual or go shoot the RNAV to 16.
69 Tango Echo, roger, I have your request.
Thank you.
Okay, so they're showing winds out of the south at 12 knots.
2142,
Scatter
climb and
clouds
maintain
at
flight
5,000.
200.
Altimeter 3019er, planning runway 14 right. We'll see if we can get a visual or the ILS, whatever they're working on there. I'll go ahead and load up the ILS just in case that's what they want to do.
Okay, 506 Tango Mike, min altitude, maintain flight 180.
Minimums on this will be 308. We're not likely to need them today, but we'll set them. Okay, that's set. Okay, we've loaded
Seattle
the
Center,
approach.
Diamond Star 243, Delta Sierra, like to cancel IFR, when way is that?
243 Delta Sierra, roger, I for cancellation proceed, squawk VFR for exchange, great, good day.
Good VFR, thanks for the help. Same with 3 Delta.
Okay.
Bear 227 Mike Foxtrot, descend and maintain 6,000.
Down to 6,000, 7 Mike Fox.
Loaded the approach.
Bear 317 Victor Alpha, contact Portland approach 118.1.
The fixes match the plan view and the profile view,
Test City 504, descend and maintain 10,000.
as does the picture.
Sky 3576, contact Cascade approach, 119.6.
I've got the Seattle VOR
Number
number
1227
2.
uniform, contact Seattle Center 126.15. If you
ground,
can't hear them
number 2.
immediately, you can try them on the east side of the
Right
sister
now we're
mountains
still
there.
showing Olympia VOR, the ILS frequencies in standby. We're navigating using GPS.
Delta Center, Skyline 6503, level 3500.
So we're about
965 and 9003,
3
Seattle
minutes
Center,
from
the
Olympia.
Chehalis altimeter, 3021, and you said you're at 3,600?
3500 indicated, 6503.
we'll expect vectors.
Number 1546 Foxtrot, contact Seattle approach, 126.5.
126.5, 46 Foxtrot.
0, and when you're able to reset your transponder, block 4665.
Seattle approach Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, level 8000, information Sierra.
47 kilo, that VFR traffic still maneuvering about a mile south, 2,300 indicated. Do you have them in sight? Hello, 1546 Foxtrot approach, you going to maintain 5,000?
5000, 46 Foxtrot. And we're leaving 8,000,
Number
descending
962 Mike,
5,000.
Seattle approach, proceed direct Avenue. Number 50 Kilo Golf, turn right heading 350. Kilo Golf, yeah, and then turn back left heading 270 and climb maintain 2,500.
So again, we're doing the ILS 14 right approach. We've got it loaded. We've double checked
Kilo Golf,
that.
Roger, you can descend
Minimums are
your
set.
discretion to 2,000. I'll have a clearance in about 4 more miles for the visual.
Just about to cross Olympia here. Then we're going to head on up toward, probably get vectors toward the final. As soon as they start giving vectors, I'll switch the CDI over to magenta. This is
47 Kilo, turn right heading 010.
They'll have us intercepting outside of Sogi, probably around 2,200, then down to 1,600 in Togay.
50 Kilo Golf, turn right heading
Down the
320.
ILS glide slope. There is a note on this one. If we go miss, we may have to descend to 1,500. We can't go above 1,500 until
Number
we're
318, look for
southeast
canceling
of
IFR, approach on
Boeing
the
Field.
frequency in the air, on the ground 121.85.
And we'll plan to fly this by hand with the flight director using the standard Bonanza profile, so about 17 inches of manifold pressure, 2,500 RPM once we're in.
Number 47 Kilo, advise when you get weather
Approach flaps
information
here
on
at
whiskey at
the
Bing.
final approach fix, 110 knots down the glide slope.
50 Kilo Golf, turn right heading 010, traffic no factor, third visual approach only 17.
Set that target speed.
0 Kilo Golf, you can contact Coleman Tower, have a good day.
And we'll go ahead and switch back over to the right tank now that we're
Number
at the descent.
47 Kilo, contact approach 128.5.
Okay, we just passed
Number
Olympia.
22 Whiskey, contact Seattle Center 124.2.
So we're now going direct Boeing Field. We should expect vectors here pretty soon.
So post Kayak 7068 Quebec, 8,000 direct to runway 6, over.
November 7068 Quebec, Seattle
Outside
Center,
the temperature's
going to
good.
maintain
We don't need
7,000,
that.
advise
We
for
don't
weather
need-
and NOTAMs at Bremerton.
8,000, 7068 Quebec.
November 46 Foxtrot, fly heading 350, vector to Boeing.
Heading 350, 46 Foxtrot. All right, so there's our heading. We're just about to go on the clouds at about 6,600 here, 6,500. Set our timer. We're on the right tank. All the lights are where we want them. No pitot heat today. Change the CDI. It is showing 135, but we're obviously not going to get anything yet. Showing the wrong ID because we're on the south side of the airport. Yeah, let's get our altimeter set. 3019 times 2. Now that we're talking to approach.
The 68 Quebec, just maintain 5,000.
5,000, 7068 Quebec.
200 to go. They're going to be right in the bases of the clouds.
Over to Mike, Roger.
Altitude capture, 5,000. Yep, we're just in the bases here.
November 901 Lima, turn left heading 270, and just verify your request in the ILS 17.
Much point at Bremerton.
November 68 Quebec, verify you have current weather, NOTAMs at Bremerton, say approach request and how it'll terminate. I do have current weather. We'll request the RNAV 20 will be a full stop Bremerton, 68 Quebec. Number 68 Quebec, roger, you can expect that. November 901 Lima, 6 miles from final approach fix, turn left heading 200, maintain at or above 2,400 till establishment localizer cleared ILS, runway 17 approach. November 46 Foxtrot, descend maintain 4,000.
4,000, 46 Foxtrot.
Central aircraft pair jump activities over Sanderson Field out of 13,500 in 1 minute. November 2 Papa Golf, amend altitude, maintain 7,000. 7,000 for 2 Papa Golf, correct.
You have the correct ID now?
And last aircraft calling unanswered, say again.
Okay, we have a extended center line from Muskogee. Not quite sure what their cunning plan is right now. Probably going to turn northeast in a moment, I hope. I'll be trying to fit us in with the SeaTac flow. It's a busy time of day there.
Number 46 Foxtrot, contact approach 125.9er.
25.9, 46 Foxtrot.
Number 18 Mike, contact approach 120.4. 2,200, fly heading 310.
2,200, 310 on the heading. Jet Cherry 37.
Jet Cherry 37, expect the ILS, runway 14 right approach.
The ILS 14 right approach, Jet Cherry 37.
Seattle approach, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, level 4,000.
Bonanza 4546 Foxtrot, Seattle approach, expect ILS, runway 14 right approach, Boeing Field.
Roger, 46 Foxtrot.
Jet Cherry 37, give me your best rate to 2,200, I'll turn you inbound reaching.
Best rate to 22, Jet Cherry 37.
And the ILS is identified.
4747 kilo, turn right heading 070.
The needles are wonky. About over the Apex Airport. Gonna get a long final today.
Jet Cherry 37, turn right now heading at 340. Jet Cherry 37, turn right heading 340.
Right 340, Jet Cherry 37.
1230 Mike, there is going to be a delay for traffic departing Renton to the north, unfortunately, at this point. Jet Cherry 37, you're 8 miles from Muskogee, turn right heading 110, maintain 2,200 till establishment localizer clear ILS, runway 14 right approach, Boeing Field.
Turn right to heading 110, maintain 2,200 feet. We're outside of Muskogee, clear for the ILS runway 14 right. Thank you, Jet Cherry 37.
6342 X-ray Seattle departure, you are radar contact, maintain 2000. 42 X-ray, you're going to Bayview today?
Seattle approach, Cessna 75879er, VFR request.
Unable VFR request at this time. November 4747 kilos, 5 miles from Mississippi, turn right now heading at 130, maintain 3000 till established on the localizer, Corvallis Yankee, runway 16 right approach. November 4747 kilo is 4 miles from Mississippi, turn right heading 130, maintain 3000 till established on the localizer, Corvallis Yankee, runway 16 right approach. 47 kilo, pocket completion approach, flight publishment, accept maintain 2000. Number 6342 X-ray, cover maintain 3000. Jet Cherry 37, contact Boeing Tower 120.6.
Thanks for the help today, Jet Cherry 37 to the tower.
November 1546 Foxtrot, turn right heading of 080, descend to maintain 2200.
080, 2200, 46 Foxtrot.
November 123 Zulu Mike, turn left heading of 340.
Okay, the localizer is alive.
Number 4 Quebec Papa, turn left now, left turn heading of 120, join the 16 right localizer. Number 633 November Delta, Seattle departure, radar contact, hold it a SEPO, maintain 3000, expect further clearance in 30 minutes. Number 6342 X-ray, turn left heading 350.
Okay, we're 13 miles from Muskogee. Breaking out at about 3,500.
Roger, unable class Bravo review for clearances at this time. November 1546 Foxtrot, descend to maintain 2200.
We are descending 2,200, 46 Foxtrot.
Thank you, sir. November 4747 Kilo again, upon completion of the approach, fly published miss, except maintain 2000. November 1546 Foxtrot, you're 11 miles from Muskogee, turn right now heading at 120, maintain 2200 to establish on localizer. Cleared ILS, and 1 foot approach Boeing Field.
Heading 120, 2,200 to establish, cleared ILS 14 right, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Arm approach mode. Heading 120, approach mode's armed. Localizer and glide slope are both armed.
Unable to fly following at this time, I'm sorry. November 4 Quebec Papa is 4 miles from Jugbutt, turn right heading at 130, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared for the ILS Zulu, runway 16 right approach. Quebec Papa, you're requesting a Yankee.
Localizer's now active.
Number 4 Quebec Papa, roger. In that case, you're 7 miles from Itipi. Again, fly heading at 140, maintain 3000 to establish from the localizer, cleared for the ILS Yankee, runway 16 right approach.
Very long final today. 200 to go.
Seattle approach, Sky 705 Juliet Alpha, descending 6,600 for 5,000.
4747 Kilo, contact main tower. Boeing 090, Seattle approach.
Let everything stabilize and slow down here.
633 November Delta, cover maintain 4000, send extra request. Roger. November 123 Zulu Mike, appreciate your help. Turn right now, heading at 160.
Seattle Tower approach, kayak 705 Julie Alpha, descending 5,000.
November 1546 Foxtrot, contact Boeing Tower. Have a good day.
Thanks for your help, 46 Foxtrot. Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, 6 miles outside of Sogi.
November 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, runway 14 right, clear to land.
14 right, clear to land, 46 Foxtrot. Okay, we're stabilizing. Autopilot will come off. Flight director and yaw damper will stay on for the moment. Approach mode is armed, localizer is active, glide slope is armed.
Mr. 837, continue down further. You can send left at Alpha 9 or kind of ground.
9er is in ground point, thanks. Ground, jet zero 37.
Boeing Tower, Skyline 51, flip my shoot, holding short 14 right, Alpha 9er ready for departure, IFR.
November 517 Mike Sierra, Boeing Tower. Hold position there and hold short of runway 14 right. There's exiting traffic at Alpha 9er.
Hold position for 7 Mike Sierra.
Helicopter 670 Echo Whiskey, Boeing Tower. Transition is approved east of the highway, at or below 1,500. I want you on the east side of the center line, please. On the east of the highway.
Okay, glide slope's coming down.
November 23 Zulu, Boeing Tower, roger, and say your direction on flight. November 23 Zulu, roger, runway 14 right, cleared to take off. Runway 14 right, full length, cleared for takeoff, fly the Bellevue departure.
Pretty good crosswind up here. Here comes the glide slope, speed checks, gear coming down, taxi light on. 3 green. Glide slope is capturing, speed checks, approach flaps, mixture's coming rich. Power will come back to about 17 inches. Get over to the localizer. 3 green.
Boeing Tower, Commander 4638 Whiskey, holding short runway 14 right for an outside departure.
4638 Whiskey, Boeing Tower, hold short, runway 14 right.
Hold short 14 right. 4638 Whiskey.
Missed approach altitude 1,500 is set. Recapturing the localizer. A little bit slow. Okay, coming back over to it.
November 7 Whiskey, or correction, November 23 Zulu, sorry about that. The left turnout is approved for the Bellevue departure.
Okay, we're 3 green, approach flaps, mixtures rich, prop is at 25.
Full plane 8397 Quebec Boeing Tower, the transition is approved, altimeter 30100.
Okay, we're on speed, on center line, on glide path. Adjust the power a little bit now as we descend. Trending a little high.
November November 7874 Golf, Boeing ground. Or correction, Boeing tower, sorry, runway 14 left, clear for takeoff, fly the green lake departure, caution wake turbulence from the fortress, target off runway 14 right.
2 mile final runway 14 right.
Checks. Good crosswind. We've got about 12 knots of crosswind component at this altitude, 800 feet. 2 miles to the threshold. Lots of bumps. We'll land with approach flaps. Feet, we're stable.
500.
Picking up the visual glide path now. We're configured to land.
November 74 Golf, continue it on the upwind for now. I'll call the left turn out. Traffic heading to your left, low level east of the highway, opposite direction is a helicopter.
I'll hold this till we get a little bit closer in.
Look up Zurich with you, traffic heading to your left, just departed off runway 14 left. It's going to be in a left turnout once you get by them to the north.
There's minimums. We're landing. Reduce power a little bit here and slow us down.
74 Golf, roger. South of that traffic, the left turnout is approved.
Forward, 3 green. Approach flaps. Sinking.
November 23 Zulu, just make sure your main at or below 1,700 to remain below the Bravo, please. November 23 Zulu, roger, altimeter 3019er. November 46 Foxtrot, turn left at Alpha 7, cross runway 14 left, contact ground on the other side.
We go to midfield hangars, 46 Foxtrot.
46 Foxtrot, turn right at Bravo 4, contact ground. No delay, exiting, please, got traffic waiting to go.
Okay, we're right at Bravo 4, then ground, 46 Foxtrot, we're hustling.
Number 5721 Tango, Boeing tower, transition approved, altimeter 3019er.
Clear left and right.
November 7 Mike Sierra, runway 14 right at Alpha 9er, clear for takeoff.
14 right is clear for 512 Mike Sierra.